Welcome friend to my YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner with a very interesting question. And the question today we are having that is James uses 1/3 of his land for growing strawberries, 1/4 cherries and 3/8 for vegetables, while the remaining 9 acres for oats. What is the total area of his land? So here we have to find out the total area for James. So here the first thing which we do, we take that let the total piece of land be, that is x. So we have just taken the area of the land, that is x. And now if you see that this is the total area. So we have just taken the total area, the total land for James, that is x. And here in the question you can see that he takes from the total land 1/3 for growing strawberry. So here we take out 1/3 of the land. We take it out. So this portion is used for growing strawberries. And for growing cherries, the land required, that is 1/4. So here also we take out 1/4 of the total land minus, and for vegetable he takes 3/8. So this is 3/8 of the total land used for growing vegetable, and the remaining is for the oat, and that is how much? So that is 9 acres. So here after taking out these 3 portions from the total land, the remaining land left, that is 9 acres. And now we have to take out the LCM for these 3, 4 and 8. And taking the LCM, we take, that is so we have just taken out the LCM. So we have just taken 3, 4 and 8 and we have got the LCM, that is 24. So here we take out the LCM, that is 24. And now here that is nothing. So this 24 multiplies by x and this becomes, that is 24x minus. And 24 divided by 3, that is 8. So here the required, that is 8x minus, and 24 divided by 4, we get here the answer, that is 6x minus, and 24 divided by 8, that is 3, and 3 goes here and it multiplies by the above 3. So you have to be very careful with this 3. So 3 multiplied by 3, we get here the answer, that is 9x, and this is equals to 9. So this is 9. And the next step, so this 24 goes upward and it multiplies by 9. So here that is, so 24x minus, so minus 8x minus 6x and minus 9x, this becomes, that is 23x is equal to 9 multiplied by 24. So this 24 goes upward and this becomes, that is x is equal to 9 multiplied by 24. We get here the answer, that is 216. So here we have just found the total area. We have just taken x as the total piece of the land, that is x, and this is equals to 216 acres, and this is our answer. I hope you have completely understood the method. So don't forget to subscribe the channel, share it, like it, and please leave a comment. So thank you very much.